Welcome to Mechantech YouTube channel. I will give you a short introduction about robotics. Introduction to robotics. So what is meant by robotics? Robotics is a branch of technology that deals with the design, construction, stimulation, manufacture and application of robot. The term robotics was first introduced by Isaac Asimov in early 1940s. Next we are going to see about the history of robot. The word robot came from robota. It means that hard work. The term robot was first used by a writer, Karel Capek, in a 1921 play called RUR. Robot. So what is meant by a robot? The modern definition of robot can be an electromechanical device which follows a set of instructions to carry out certain job. But literally robot means a slave. Robot can also be defined as a machine which is used to carry out complex series of operations. Laws of robotics. Robotics was introduced by Isaac Asimov, a famous science fiction author. Laws are being from Handbook of Robotics, 56th edition, 2058 AD. The first law of robotics. Robot law cannot injure a human being or through inaction allow a human being to come to harm. Second law, a robot must obey the order given it by human beings except where such order would conflict with the first law. A robot must protect its own existence as long as such protection does not conflict with the first or second law. Working. What is the process behind the working of a robot? A robot is a machine that gather information about its environment by its sensors and use that information for processing to follow instruction to do work. So the input information is collected by using sensors and process the output. It also includes three main parts for its work. The three main parts are sensing part, thinking or processing part, acting part. The sensing part provides input to the robot through sensors or as by input program. The thinking part or processing part is a microcontroller. Next is the acting part. The acting part could be through light motors, actuators, sounds, etc. First industrial robot. George C. Devil obtained the first US robot patent in the year 1961. Joe Engelberg formed Unimation or Universal Automation and was the first to market robots. Unimate was the first industrial robot which worked on a General Motors assembly line at Inland Fisher Guide plant in 1961. The first industrial robots of service in 1961 in a car factory run by General Motors in Trenton. Robot. Shaky was the first general-purpose mobile robot. Shaky was developed at the Artificial Intelligence Center of Stanford Research Institute. Endowed with a limited ability to see and model its environment and was controlled by a computer. It means that it is programmed by using a computer nearby it. Classification of robotic system. The robotic system is classified into three on the basis of application. The first one is manipulation robotic system, and the second one is mobile robotic system, and the third one is data acquisition and control robotic system. Manipulation robotic system. The manipulation robotic system is the most extensively used robotic system that is mainly used in manufacturing industries. Second one, mobile robotic system. A mobile robotic system is usually an automated platform that carries goods from one place to another. It is also used for industrial purpose for carrying tools and spare parts to the storage. Robots are used in different fields because of its performance and accuracy in doing work. Virtual reality, medical robotics, military application, unmanned vehicle, unreachable area, space, industrial application, and so on. Thank you for watching my video. For more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel.